This is the Moho file. I want to drag and drop this to my Moho, but nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Welcome to Modelman Animation. This is the first video in our Q&A session playlist. Sometimes you run into a problem in Moho that's hard to explain with words alone, and you need to upload images or videos to showcase it. So I created a Google form, and by filling it out, you can request a call on Google Meet, where I personally help you fix your problem for free. Here is how it's done. Click the link in the description, sign into your Google account, and while filling out the form, upload images and videos of your issue. And just to be clear, there is no payment involved. It's 100% free, but please take your time while filling the form. I don't accept incomplete requests. Fill it completely, explain your issue in detail, and upload up to 10 images and one video to showcase it properly. Just so you know, the entire call will be recorded and may be uploaded on my social media platforms. Our lucky animator this week is Sabrina, an animation student from Indonesia. We had a respectful and amazing conversation, and I'm sure you'll learn something new today. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Oh, my name is Sabrina.
Sabrina. Nice to see you, Sabrina. When I was scheduling the time for our call, I noticed that in Indonesia, we have 3 different regions: East Indonesia, West Indonesia,
Yep.
and Central Indonesia. Which one of these parts you live in?
West.
West. And the other question that I have, how long have you been working with Moho?
1 year.
And do you study animation or something?
Yeah, I'm study animation. I used Tunmum before, but the application more complicated. It's so tiring. When my coworker introduced me with Moho, it's a good app. It's more comfortable to use Moho. It's more easy.
Yeah. In my opinion, it's easier to create different animations with Moho than many animation softwares that we have right now. Now, before we continue, I would like to share the video that she uploaded on her Google form. You can see that she's trying to import a Moho file into her project, but it doesn't work. And not only that, if she goes back, you can see that the Windows is still waiting for her to drop the file. Also, Moho itself stops working no matter how many times you click. Now the thing is, sometimes you can zoom in and zoom out, but you cannot change your tool to work with Moho. It just doesn't work. She also mentioned that this problem happened for the first time after she imported an image that she had drawn using CorelDRAW. Also, it seems the problem is not because of one single Moho file. She has also tried to import her old files, but it just doesn't work. I have a couple of solutions. First, let's see if you know the meaning of importing and opening a file, because the meaning can be different. Do you know the difference when we say open a Moho file and when we say importing a Moho file? Do you know the difference between them?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, sure. So which one works, which one doesn't work?
I can open the Moho file, but I cannot import the file.
So you can open, but you cannot import it.
Yep.
Okay, can you share your screen so you can create a Moho file?
Sure. This is the Moho file. I want to drag and drop this to my Moho, but nothing happened. And this, nothing happened.
After you do this, your Moho works actually, yes? Right now your Moho itself works.
Yeah.
So please draw a circle, a simple circle.
Oh, not the Moho cannot work.
Okay. The Moho is lagging. It's crashing
Yep.
or something. Yeah. It's weird to see a problem like this actually. But in this case, you should maybe close your Moho and open it again first. Do you know how to do that, or shall I teach you? Oh yeah, you know.
I just
Okay. Okay, so Moho is opening. Okay. Draw a circle, a simple circle, or a rectangle, it doesn't matter. Just draw a shape. Okay. Now go to File and save it. Save it in somewhere that you can later import it, you know?
So, yeah.
Now go to File this time. Go to File and then go to Import. Yeah. And then General Import.
General.
Yeah. And then import the saved file.
My
Oh, it's lagging.
lagging. Yeah.
That's interesting. That's very interesting actually. The problem is you cannot import anything into your Moho at all. From up there, go to help.
Help.
Down there. Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Your version of Moho is down there. It says 2023 Moho 14.1. You're actually using Moho 14.1. Moho 14.1 doesn't have such a problem. It doesn't have any problem with importing a Moho file. There might be a solution, I'm not sure. It might be related to your drivers. Maybe if you reset your settings, it will be solved. Can you import other type of files, like importing images or something?
Yeah, it still works for image.
In which drive you installed Moho?
C.
Have you ever deleted one of the files in the C drive?
No. No.
So it can be viruses, it can be other problems that might happen to you. But before we continue, actually, let me search something. Okay. No one has ever had this problem. So maybe the issue is with your files. Have you ever tried to reinstall Moho?
Yeah, I have tried this.
And it didn't work. Okay, so you can also reset your settings. We can also try that, but I'm not sure. Go to your Explorer and you go to C drive, drive C. Go to users.
Yes, sir.
From the top, click on view.
View.
Up, yes, here. Hidden items. Do you see the checkbox? It's a checkbox. Yes, hidden items. Go to user folder. From the bottom, yes. From here, go to app data or app data.
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
app data. Roaming, the third one. Yes. Here, click on one of the files. It doesn't matter. Click on one of them.
One of them.
Yes, and type L.
L.
Yes.
L.
Last marble. Open it. Go to Moho Pro. You use Moho Pro, yes? Oh, yeah, you use Moho Pro. Go to 14. Here, you need to delete Moho Pro 14 settings. But before you delete this file, close your Moho.
Oh, yeah.
Here, what you need to know is that every time you close your Moho, it saves its current settings into this file. The reason I told her to close Moho is that if you delete the file and then close Moho, Moho would create the file again based on its settings, as if we've never deleted it before. The next point is that every time you open Moho, Moho tries to read this file. If it doesn't find it, it tries to create it from scratch. That means if first we close Moho, delete this file and then open Moho, Moho will create this file from scratch. This way you can reset your settings. But you need to be careful. You lost a lot of things, such as some of your preferences, the address of your custom content folder, etc. But the good news is, if you want to keep your settings, I already created an application in Moho that can reset your settings while keeping some of them. You can download it for free from itch.io. I put the download link in the description. But the question is why this problem happened in the first place. It happened while she was trying to import a large file into Moho. In these type of cases, if you close Moho, it tries to save its current settings into your settings file. But during this process, she probably closed Moho using Task Manager, and that caused the settings to be partially saved, which corrupted the file. So to fix it, we first close Moho, delete this file, and then open Moho again so that Moho can fix this file by itself. Let's watch the rest of the video. Let's try. So yeah, you deleted it. Okay. So now open your Moho. It will be like the first time that you opened your Moho. Choose not now or never. Okay. Wait. There we go. Okay, close this one. Close this window, okay. Maximize Moho. Yeah. So now let's try and import something. Let's see if it works. First, create a new, okay. Create a new one and try to import. Let's see if it will be 6 or not.
It
Yes.
works.
Yes.
Finally.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you so
We
much.
finally fixed it. It was really nice to have this conversation with you, Sabrina.
I'm sorry for my bad English.
It's okay actually. Your English actually is good. You can speak English, you understood me, and we fixed that problem. And it's really nice. Thank you so much. I wish you the best and have a best day. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Thank you.
You're very welcome. After ending the call, I asked her to import her own projects into Moho and send a recorded video to me. And just like any other project, after waiting for a few seconds, it will be imported. So this video shows that we found the solution to this problem. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now you know if you have a problem in Moho that requires uploading images or videos, just click the link in the description, fill out the form, explain and showcase your issue in detail, and request a call. Whether it's an animation problem, rigging issue, design challenge, or even a problem with software workflows, you can get help. And I only choose the most interesting requests for this playlist. Not all submissions make it in, so fill out the form only when you really need help. Thank you so much for watching, and since last week we hit 4,000 subscribers, I have to say big thanks to all of you for your support. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you in the next one.